Thank you, tell Michael. He'll never see you coming.
Wow.
Holy mother, oh my god, oh my god.
Are you dead?
Holy mother of freaking mother, oh my god. Get away from me.
Are you dead?
Now I am.
Hold me, Damien.
I'm already dead, you dude.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yes, when I saved you and you were Morgana, I fucking saved your ass. And that when I'm about to get a kill, I'm like, oh yes, this is my job well done. And then I see your Q come out.
Yeah, I see him do that a lot as well, actually.
Dude, he wants to...
No, this is the only to spare.
Like he runs away because he's low HP and it's danger. But then at the absolute last second, he can come back. Q, get the Q. Good job, guys. You didn't say good job. You didn't say thanks when I saved you. You're like, fuck you, man. You saved me, and I don't give a shit.
He's just gonna say any day.
Yeah.
That's what he did to me when I saved him at shed.
What was that? Did she just
He's
flash?
like, anytime.
Hypocrite.
I don't tell him to do it before, and I tell him to do it at the time I'm getting raped.
I know. I'm like, I don't know where you are on the map. I'm like, where are you?
What the hell is going on? You sound like, gobble chickens.
That's Michael. What, Michael? What are you trying to say? Oh my god, you suck, man. You can't shine up for shit.
Oh my gosh.
Michael, suck.
Oh, I should have smited his clone.
Oh my gosh.
Why would you smite his clone?
Look at Garen, he was like so tanky now.
Garen,
God damn it, there's a team fight and then there's someone ringing on my door. Oh my god, be right back.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no.
Where is he?
Oh, he backed off.
Oh, why didn't you pick your phone up? Jesus Christ, she's right outside the door, then why don't you just ring the doorbell? Have to phone me.
Wait, are they your parents?
Yes.
Why do they have keys? They have keys for a reason, right?
Unbelievable.
Wait, your parents had keys, yet they still rang the doorbell. The only reason my parents would ring the doorbell is when they need groceries to be taken in, so it's too heavy for them. But then if it's just ringing the doorbell for no reason, then that's a bit annoying.
You know how I take the groceries in? My dad calls me before we get to the house, tells me to open the gate, stand outside and wait.
20 minutes later. Oh my god, I forgot I didn't buy any groceries.
You were meant to buy groceries?
No, he's pretending to be your dad.
I bought groceries? When did I say that?
He's pretending to be your dad.
You're imagining shit. It's the puberty kicking in.
What, Michael, what else does your parents make you do that sounds really, really, like, not...
Oh my god.
See, that's what Michael sounds like when he wants to talk from me. Shame.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die!
Not really.
Oh,
You
you're
are so lucky.
lucky.
You are so lucky that Anthony saved you. Where I told him to come 5 seconds before. No, stays at mid while Chogi has comes to me.
I don't understand Anthony's malfunction. He supports better as an AP mage than a actual support.
Have you seen me support Lysandra? Ask Damien.
How did it go?
Terrible. Terrible.
I got you legendary, you slut.
Peter everywhere, you know that?
Huh?
Eating so much.
Me, I was 4-5, 12 by
You're
end game.
eating.
Good. Well, when is this? That game?
Was today.
Oh.
You know support Lysandra doesn't really work.
Yeah, it
You're
does.
just
I
lucky.
get them stuck in place for 5 years.
It's only 2
It's
seconds.
like 1 second. It's like a few seconds. 1 year.
Yeah, it's maximum of 3.5. You don't have to...
What's Damien's done? He's 80 cannon.
I'll kill him.
Oh yeah.
But I shall save her.
Ah, doorbell. Always comes when I need you to most, yeah?
Oh, we lost so badly.
Go back.
dead. How much health did Anthony have?
Go! Ow! Ow!
Yeah, seems like we can go, can't we?
Fucking